Severe storm caused flooded streets and rail traffic disruption in Berlin. A tree fell on several cars. A severe storm with thunderstorms and heavy rain swept over Berlin on Monday afternoon. The Berlin Fire Brigade announced at 4:55 p.m. that the weather emergency had been declared. Several volunteer firefighters are also on duty. The Berlin S-Bahn also announced that the storm caused failures and delays on all lines throughout the network. The heavy thunderstorm over Berlin triggered many fire department operations on Monday. Until Tuesday night, the Berlin Fire Brigade deployed just over 400 operations across Berlin.